Okay, we're on something called Avenida do General Castelo Branco. So yeah, I've been in here a long time ago, and there's this little thing I want to walk down, this little alley down here. So we're gonna, I think that where those two are coming from. So we're gonna walk down that alley in a minute. And just to give a little context, we're in this area right here, Avenida de General Castelo Branco. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down that little, there's a little alley here. I'm just gonna come down on that other side, so we're just gonna follow it down and to see what it leads to. I think I have filmed in here before, a long time ago. So yeah, check out this little alley. You can just go straight down that way. So it looks kind of cool. Connects from one thing to another. There's little squatter stuff in here too. So, and I saw some bananas in this little space as well. So this road is called Rua Centro de Toisan. Rua do Centro de Toisan. So we got that street right there, and then we have that street right there, which is kind of the main one. So if you want to look for those two, you can on those two areas. And then we're gonna go directly in that little squatter area in a minute. So let's go check this out. We're gonna go all the way down that one. Let's kind of see where it goes. Yeah, it looks like a little shortcut or something. Yeah, these are kind of yeah, I've been here a long time ago, just one time, and I think I had the camera that time as well. So you got like, and then these ones are just like kind of interesting. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is we'll just go through it and we'll come out to the other end. And if I remember right, there's also there's a temple to the left. So we'll see if it's still there. Oh yeah, I haven't been here in so long. Yeah, this looks kind of cool too. So you got this kind of cool stuff right there, like that. And then this one, so all that was all part of this. So that's just like a little strip of that. Then I guess it's all private property, but I guess there's like a little strip of like ramshackle apartment. I don't know what those are. They're just kind of on the periphery part. Got all those tall buildings everywhere. Okay. So we're just gonna come out a little bit further. Yeah, and if I remember right, let's see how this connects. So I think I'm gonna call this one the name of that big larger street. So let's see if we can kind of get around to that spot. Kind of interesting. More ramshackleness stuff. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one I was thinking. So I have been in here before. Pretty sure I filmed here, but I don't know what I would have called it. Yeah, that's a pretty cool temple right there. So there's a little temple, some chairs. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, I do remember that. I remember a cat as well. I guess that's the home of the cat. Beautiful. And this right here is a tsunami. So when the tsunamis come in, there's a storm surge, 1.5, 2.5. So if they tell you that there's a storm surge that's going to hit like 2.5, you kind of know that you better get out of that area, right? Then we're going to end it in a minute. So basically we just kind of went down that little alley and then we kind of came down this way. So we're going to so we're just gonna capture that little thing right there, and then we're gonna. So this is kind of our main focus, and I'm gonna capture the name of the road right there as well. There we go. Oops. So this is where we're at right here, Avenida de Castelo Branco. So now you can kind of see context of everything, and then a nice temple, nice little cat. There's a temple right there. There's looks like the cat goes in and out, so it must kind of be in this whole little space like that. Okay, so yeah, so we'll label it according to this main street right here, and that way you kind of have a little bit of context to it, and then you can check out these tall buildings too. So we're kind of surrounded by tall buildings with a little bit of makeshift interesting stuff along the way. And it looks like this says Ilha Verde, so it must be near Green Island. Green Island used to be its own little island, and then because it's like a delta where a lot of dirt fills up, it become, you know, the island became part of Macau, basically. Okay, so we're just gonna go a little bit further. I think now we can see what one of these things is, which is plants, freighters. So those are all freighters down there. And now we're back where we started again. Well, those pedestrians almost got hit by that car. They weren't really watching. So, and the border is straight down that way. I mean, it's that way and that way. So yeah, we're basically on this little thing right here. And we'll just do a quick little thing of where we are. Avenida de General Castelo Branco. And that was the order, the little alley that we're at. Okay, hope you like this one. Kind of cool.